Hello everybody, welcome to the 7th in the series of videos on factorization, and this is the 4th problem set, and these problems are basically going to use the identity of cubes, of sum and differences of cubes that we have seen. Let's do the first one. So the first one is a cube plus 27a cube. 27b cube, I'm sorry, and that would be a cube plus 3b the whole cube. If you look at this, this is a cube plus b cube, so you have a cube plus b cube, and a cube plus b cube is nothing but a plus b into a squared plus b squared minus ab. So remember that if there's a plus here, there's a plus here. Oh, sorry, no, this is not plus or minus. There's a plus, and then there'll be minus here. That's what this means: plus or minus, and minus or plus. Substituting for a and b, this would be a. B is 3b into a squared plus 3b the whole square minus a into 3b. That will be equal to a plus 3b into a squared plus 9b squared minus 3ab. So that's how you do this. Let's do the next one, which is 27a power 7 minus 128a. If you look at this, how do you move ahead? If you see, okay, let's see a power 7 and a, so there's a common, and apart from a common, you don't have, oh sorry, this problem is not 27, this would be, oh no, it's okay. Okay, so this would be, oh, this would not be 27. Let's say this is 2a power 7, not 27a power 7. Let's say this is 2a power 7. In this, sorry for the mistake. So you can take your 2a outside, because this 2 and 128, 2 is something that you can common factor, you can take out, and a power 7 and a is a common factor. So you can write this as 2a into a power 6 minus 64. This would be equal to 2a into a cube the whole square minus 8 square. So you have, what you have done is you have converted this into the form a squared minus b squared. So that's the first step. So this will be 2a into a plus b into a minus b. And you can further simplify this by saying what is a cube plus b cube, because this is 2 cube into a cube minus 2 cube. So from here, I would urge you to pause this video and try to do this yourself. If you have expanded and got this as your answer, then you're right. This is the expansion for a cube plus 2 cube, and this is the expansion for a cube minus 2 cube. So moving on to the next problem, you have 125. You have 125a cube plus 1 by 8, and that would be 5a the whole cube plus 1 by 2 the whole cube. So from here, I urge you to try to do the problem yourself. This is the form a cube plus b cube. So if you got this as your answer, if you could open up your a cube plus b cube like this, then you're right. That's quite simple. Moving to the next problem. How do you prove that 15 cube minus 8 cube is divisible by 7? So to start this, you need to expand a cube minus b cube. So this is of the form a cube minus b cube. So we need to expand this, and the expansion would be a minus b into, if there's a minus, this is minus here, a squared plus plus b squared minus, oh, not the minus, this is plus, because if there's a minus here, there'll be a plus here. So this would be 15 minus 8 into this term, into the term. That's 7 into the term. So the term would be, of course, you would have some numbers here instead of, so 15 minus 8 into 15 squared plus 8 squared plus 15 into 8, and this term, so you get, doesn't matter what that is, so you get 7 into a term, and this implies 15 cube minus 8 cube is divisible by 7. Oh, this is a fourth problem. Sorry, this is a fourth problem. So moving to the fifth one. So we have to try to factorize 2x cube plus 54y cube minus 4x minus 12y. So you can try to do this problem. The way I would approach this problem is to see whether if there are anything that I can take common outside through the entire expression. So yes, I can take 2 outside, so that will leave me with 27y cube minus 2x minus 6y. And if you see this is of the form a cube plus b cube, and here again you can take 2 outside. So this would be x cube plus 3y the whole cube minus 1 minus 2, you can take 2 outside in this, x plus 3y. So now it looks really familiar. This is of the form a cube plus b cube, so that would be x plus 3y into x squared plus 9y squared minus 3xy, and you have here minus 2 into x plus 3y. You can take this x plus 3y common outside, and you would be left with 2 into x plus 3y into x squared plus 9y squared minus 3xy minus 2. So that would be your answer for this question. It looks quite complicated, but it's actually simple. So if you did not follow this quite well, I urge you to pause this video and try to do this problem once yourself again, and try to refer if you ever get stuck. So with this, we come to an end of this video session of a cube plus or minus b cube, factoring using the expansion of this. So until the next video, I'll see you. Bye.